It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day, and we dropped in on an installation that we put in 8 months ago in Lakeside. You remember the big Xeriscape. Well, the story behind this project is the owners built this house as a rental property, and they were so spectacular to want to do something really cool with this yard. Lakeside is hot. This is the 7th ring of hell here, and total, complete, 100% exposure. So we wanted to do an installation that was extremely tough of just specimens. So the renter has a dog who looks like might like to dig a little bit, but that's okay. I mean, that's just a really super easy little fix. I don't see any evidence here of any gophers. All of the plants look really, really healthy. I talked for a minute with the occupant of the home, and she has been watering. So I told her not to bother, that these plants will be fine on their own. Maybe just give them a little something, something once a month. Wow. Yeah. A couple of the Dazzlerian longissimums are struggling a little bit, which may be due to the watering. This one looks the happiest. But all of the aloes, the Draco, these were plants that we had brought in from Sun Valley. And I remember I didn't know Caesar that well yet. What a romance. His plants are so spectacular and clearly stand the test of time. But yeah, you know, there's a few weeds, but you all know what that's like. Weeds happen, no big deal, easy fix. Over here, the alobanzii, the agaves. This Dazzlerian looks pretty good. Remember, this is just 8 months. So these plants haven't even had a full year to acclimate. And as hot as it is, and we came in and did this back in June, so just pre-heat. I mean, hot. They survived their first summer beautifully. Obviously the winter, nothing froze. I don't see a darn thing to complain about as far as the health of the plants. They look fantastic. Our little walk paths have held up nicely. We installed these organically on a bed of DG, and then we just rubbled. Remember, the client had all of this rock native on his property. He's got a number of acres here, and he lives just up the hill. So he brought this in by the tractor full, installed the shed. The shed wasn't here, just the footprint of it. We made the little pathway to meet the shed, and it's super cute. Our little barrel cactus, all of our mounds have held up. Yeah, this is fantastic. Ooh, this aloe ferox looks like it's getting ready to bloom. Aw, hi there.
Wrapped up in there.
Yep. Help it out a little bit. It'll figure it out. Very cool. This beautiful Peruvianus. This is stunning right here. And our Bacarnia recurvata. We'll have to check in on this one again in about another year and just watch as this just continues to magnify. We will get with the client and talk about coming in to just spend a couple hours pulling weeds, you know, fixing a little bit of rock work. I'll also be treating the plants systemically against any kind of pests or diseases moving forward. But yeah, you know, extremely pleased.
Check out the front one more time.
All right, yeah, let's go take a look from this perspective. Yeah, this Dazzlerian,
The new growth
yeah,
is okay.
That's exactly right, Hannah. She said the new growth looks okay. So I think that this bottom growth, I don't know, it's hard to say. It's been 8 months. Maybe it got too dry. Maybe it got probably too dry, but that's maintenance. It's for us just to come in and limb up all of those yellow leaves underneath to expose the beautiful new growth. We'll probably want to come in and deadhead the barrel cactus. I love doing that. Totally satisfies my OCD. But I don't need to bring in any more rock. The DG, you can see here where some of the weed fabric is exposed. But I think that more than anything, we just need to rake it because I think it's just settled. So yeah, this is just an OCD paradise because the only thing that there is to do is just tighten everything up a little bit, and it is going to look better than it did the day I installed it. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Lakeside Xeriscape, 8 months old. We will see you at the next one. This has been Laura of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day. Bye, guys.